Hi guys, hey, it's me, Donnie, and Hog Simpson. Back at the old river again today. Brought the kid down there with me today. Come down a couple days ago and got on a little spot where some chains were. We're gonna come back down there and see what we can do, guys. It's 4th of July afternoon. We're just gonna go down there and see what we can get on some. So come along with me and the kid and see what we can get, guys. Hopefully get some big ones. I don't know. There's some monsters down here, so let's go hunt them, guys. The other day we were all over the wormy. Oh. Alrighty, fishies, come on with it. We're here, we got food for you. Huh? Gar. That don't surprise me, fuckers are everywhere. Everywhere. I actually didn't catch, I haven't caught one in a while. Not since I've been catfishing, I haven't. There's something right there, damn. The hell was that? Yeah, toss this one out. I really want to sail another big fucking cut bait right up along that bank over there. I'm already hitting that. Line won't stay tight. Yeah, there we go. Look at this. There's Diana. It's a big old headpiece. Holy shites. See that? He had her bent, boy. He had her bent. No warning at all. That's what they were doing the other day, too. There's your wormy. Finally getting a bite. Now they're starting to fire up. I told you. Just give it time. And suckers, once that scent gets out there, they'll fire them all up. We'll be chasing fish all day. Yeah, he's giving you a bunch of slack. Watch him. Sometimes when they do that, reel out that slack just real ever so slowly. And you can feel them and probably swimming toward the bank with it. I got a bite on this liver now too. Oh yeah, here we go, here we go. There's that big piece. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. I dropped it. There he is, he's back. Oh man, he dropped it again. Wonder if that's a gar. Definitely getting some bites, guys. Already getting bites. That's a good sign. Pull this back over here again. His liver's starting to tap again now. Oh, he just gave me a bunch of slack. This jerk here. What's he doing? I think he's swimming toward me, guys. Alright, fishies. Come on with it. I'm ready. I am oh so ready. Fast action. There's your cut bait, Diana. Watch him. I'll go ahead and set that one down. Hurry up, grab it. Watch that one. He's fixing to try to take off with it. Here, I'll get your wormy back up on your stick. So I'm saying you gotta watch them because they don't fuck around. When he's ready to run with it, he's gonna take off with it. Nail his ass. Get him? Oh yeah, you got him. Really, man? Come on. Get him up here. I got one taking off mine too. Oh yeah. Get him up here. Probably a big old cat. Nice channy. Try to keep him out of that line. There you go. Yep. Keep him going. That's a freaking little one here, I think. Oh yeah. Nice cat. Nice channy. I got that. Did I get him? Nope, I missed mine. You got yours though. That's a nice one too. Nice little guy. Oh yeah. Look at that, guys. He's all dark. Look at that. What's that? Oh, that's our hook. Never mind. Okay. Let me throw this back out real quick and I'll get him off there and get you back out again. Get a picture of your hand holding him up. That's your first catfish, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. It's a nice one too. Nice one. It looks like a blue. He's awful dark. Awful dark. Yeah. That's a nice one. Yeah. Oh yeah. So they're doing me the other day. One after another. I'm telling you. Here you go. Hold him up. Yeah. I'll get a picture. Watch him bite you. Alright. Hold him up for the camera too. Alright guys. That's our first channel cat of the year. Nice one. Nice one to start off with. My phone is almost dead. Are you kidding me? Camera. Alright, here. Smile. Let me zoom. Oh, too much. There we go. Alright, got a picture. Alright, you can let him go. I don't want to keep any. Unless they're like little 8-pounders or something. Oh yeah, go ahead and rinse your hands off. You got blood all over you. He had a big old nasty spot on his head. You see that? Yeah. He's been in spawn. He just come off a nest. He's been spawning. Yeah. Well, he hit her. He was aggressive. I got one messing with my headpiece again. Damn it. Alright, let me get her rebaited. Fast action, guys. Fast action. That's the way I like it. Oh yeah. Tearing it up already. That's what I want to see. I like putting the kid on some fish too. Alright, you ready? Throw this back out there. You can rinse your hand off better. Get the backside and all that. Just reach it. Walk out there and rinse your hands off real good. There you go. Right back in the same spot, kiddo. Just have to keep an eye on her. This damn thing messed your stick up. I need some rocks. Pop up around your stick here. Make it a little more stable. There's that one. There's another rock. Stick right there. There you go. A little better. A little more better. Yeah, he gave me a bunch of slack in that one. This damn phone's like piping hot. And I'm almost dead. Almost dead. I'm gonna stick him over here out of the way, guys. I'm screwing my phone up. Yeah, here we go. Just gave me a bunch more slack. I wish he'd just eat it. If you want to reel that worm in, check it. Unless he's still biting. If he's still biting, pick it up and kind of move it a little bit. Just barely drag it on the bottom might entice him to hit it. He thinks it's gonna swim or get away. I don't know what's up with this dude here. Is that another bite? Yeah. Really? I need to anchor it. Oh yeah, mine's back too. Mikey's giving me a bunch of slack. Big old fly buzzing my head. He needs to go bye-bye. Come on, dude. Yeah, he's still hitting her, isn't he? Yeah, that's good. It's a good little spot, isn't it? Yeah. So far. I haven't even got the fish downstream anymore than this. Since I fished this spot right here, this is it. I got right here the other day. You feel him pulling on good, you nail his ass again. Then we scared to like rip his head off. Oh yeah, fast action, fast action. Come on, fish, messing around. I ain't gonna play with my damn liver. I ain't got one. I got one pole over here I ain't even got out yet. I think about putting another piece of cut bait on it. Yeah, it's insane. It's almost acting like a turtle or something. I don't know what it is. Not acting right though. He's bringing it to me. Here he goes. Now he's getting a little more gutsy. There he was. There you go. Oh, he looks like he's a nice one. He's dragging it downstream is what he's doing. Yeah, he's swimming out to the middle with it, about like what mine's doing. Come on, buddy. What are you doing down there? What the hell is that fish doing? He's like literally swimming over all lines. He's doing exactly what this one's doing. Give me a bunch of slack. I'm back. We already started that clip. I didn't want it being too long. I only have one fish in it, so. But it was a nice one. There he is back on that headpiece again. Come on, big dogs. Still biting?
Oh, he's going that way with it.
He might be swimming downstream or closer to the bank so he can eat it a little safer. Yeah, they do that a lot. Just keep taking that slack out real slowly until you catch up with him. And you got to throw this other pole out yet. And this one's giving me a bunch of slack. That's a good sign. He's picking it up. Hmm? It's probably bugs. Did you? Huh. What the hell are they doing down there, man? Here we go, Diana. Got one here. Oh, that was a gar all day. He was way at the top of the water. Did you see that crap? Now getting way up in that tree. That thing ran straight to the top. Ah, you gotta be kidding me. There we go. Got that back. Screwball gar. It makes me almost not want to put the liver back on here. Gar head. We don't want no gars. We want big cats. Big cats, maybe a stripey. I'd be okay with a stripey. Doesn't it? God, fucking busiest fucking river ever in my life. I've ever seen fucking this goddamn busy. Quit biting?
Well, I just recast my worm.
No. Yeah. I used to go down and flip these little flat rocks over and find little baby flatheads back in the day. Way, way a long time ago. Back when we were kids. These are like our playgrounds, rock riffles. The old rock riffles.
Yeah, we'll definitely have to get home at a decent time so I can freaking hop in the shower now.
Yeah. Damn fish keeps giving me slack. Here it comes. I'm waking up now. Finally.
Use my worm to stuff into slack.
Yep, something's hitting it. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Here we go. Chicken liver again. About time. Come on, buddy. He picked it up. He was gonna take it. Here we go. Here's my other one now. Oh boy. He's really bending it. You see that? Damn fish are crazy, I tell you. They make no sense at all. The way they're acting. It just keeps giving me slack. Video liver again. Come on, boy. Oh yeah. How's it going? Not too bad.
Catch anything?
I just caught one so far. We just got down here. They're biting good though. I was down here a couple days ago and killed them over here in the same spot.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're definitely biting. Huh?
What are you fishing for?
Catfish, whoever wants to bite. Got cut bait and worms. Chicken liver.
Very nice.
Oh yeah.
y'all guys.
Yep, you too. Be careful. There we go. Oh, there's one. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I've been hunting that guy for a while now. He's been tagging my line. Finally got him. He's doing some acrobats now. I'll get him away from you guys so he don't hit you. Act like a muskie. That's a big old gar there, Diana. Oh, you're right another line too. Watch him. Yeah. Here he's coming. I snagged him right in his side. Swam right on the bank for me. I didn't have to land him or anything, did I? Yeah. Right in the gill. Watch him, he'll get you. And things are crazy. That was badass. That was badass. That thing leaped out in the damn water. Oh yeah, look at that, guys. That's a nice one. It's a big old gar. Take a picture of this with me. I'll pick him up. Have you get a picture. Me holding him up. He's fixing to freak out. I already feel it. He's tensing up. He's tensing up.
You want me to take a picture of you? Or
Yeah, take a picture of me with your phone. My phone's about dead. Here we go. Yeah. A long nose gar. I'll put these on that Illinois fishing website tonight. And river certified. There you guys go. You guys see that? I think you guys can see him. Yeah? Huh? Get another one?
There you go.
Alrighty. Yeah, that's a nice little gar, guys. He was doing some acrobats out there. I thought he was way bigger than that, but thank you, buddy. That was fun. Oh, he's mad. Oh yeah, that was fun. Let's go for another one. Oh yeah. That was awesome. I think he was jumping out of the water like a muskie. Oh shit, that's crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. That was badass. Alright, yeah. Get this one rebaited, guys. I'm gonna restart this clip. Yeah, we got a bite. I want chicken liver. See what he's gonna do with her. Nice to get one more and get out of here. I can come back and pick up more footage later. During the week anyway. After workage.
That one's starting to do something.
Is it?
Looked like it got a little slack and then.
Yeah, there's something messing with it. Keep an eye on that one. Go ahead. It's all you. Don't miss him. We need this one, Diana. The pressure's on you. Rip his lips off. Rip his freaking face off. Figured it'd be a catfish up in there or something, man. It looks just too good. Even above that, it even looks good, but it gets shallow. As deeper you get, or further up there through you get. Oh, there's something on your cut bait now over here. Alright, there we go. Come on, sucker, take off with it. Ooh, oh yeah. Should have had him right there. He was pulling up pretty good. He was definitely pulling. Oh man. See what this one's doing. Still biting? Oh yeah. Nail his ass. There you go. Get him in, get him in. Oh yeah. She's on again, guys. She is on again. Here's another one. Haha. Yes, indeedy. Here, I'll move this one out of your way. Stole your bait anyway. What the hell you got there? A turtle or something? It ain't come up yet. Acting like a turtle. Oh yeah, damn turtle. I caught one the other day too. He choked it. Damn turtles. Hang on, I'll get him off there. Yep. Now I can choke this one out, guys. I'll show you what I'm talking about. He's sticking his neck out. Might be able to.
He's breathing hard.
Huh? He's pissed off. Yeah, see this, guys? He grabs these turtles by the neck and he squeeze and they just go to sleep. And then you can just take the hook right out, no problem. Sometimes if they're not biting the damn hook. Come on. Yeah, he's gonna bite the damn hook. If you let go, I get the hook right out of your mouth, stupid. You're not even hooked. You're just biting the damn hook. Let go. Let go. I ain't got my pliers either, so it sucks. Hear him farting? Wow, that's rude. You're so rude, turtle. You like shit on me, shit on you, buddy. Come on now, give him a hook. That's all I want is my hook. Alright, give me a stick or something here. He wanting to cooperate. If you would quit, I could get the damn thing out and you wouldn't be bleeding everywhere, stupid. There, you see? See how hard was that? And then you just let them go real quick, guys. And they won't bite you. Poop butt. Alright, there you go, buddy. And he's off. Free to go. Screw somebody else's day up. Alright, guys. Well, I think we're going to call it a day on that one, guys. And get out of here. She's got things to do this afternoon. And I'm just wanting to get home and chill out and get ready for work. So, but if you guys see this as a video, then I made it into a video. I might wait and just put this in another video, get a little more content, but we shall see. So I might just make a short video. But if you guys like the content, hit that like and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one, guys. Peace out. Later.